All right, turning to our weather now, it's again a cooler start to today. We would expect that in February,
right.
But it's getting warmer and it's getting breezy.
Oh, it's going to be a lot warmer today than it was the past 24 hours and very gusty, Karen. We're talking about winds right now coming from the southwest, and they're gusting around 20 miles per hour here across the Metroplex. So a little bit of a breeze will be felt not only throughout the rest of this morning, but as we continue into the afternoon. In fact, some of the winds will be up to 35 miles per hour. That's why we have a wind advisory that'll stay in effect here across North Texas for most of our counties until, well, around 6 p.m. today. So just a heads up, it will be a bit of a breezy day ahead. I want to get you into the forecast details though, and why we're seeing what we're seeing. It's because of a ridge of high pressure that's dominating in the upper levels of the atmosphere. It's kind of shifted off towards the southwest of us, but we're allowing for some of that southerly flow to return here across the region. So gusty winds will be persistent right now, gusting anywhere from around 20 to 25 miles per hour. Temperature wise across the Metroplex, we're in the low 60s. So actually high temperature for this time of the year should be around 63 degrees, and we're already to where the high should be for this time of the year. As we work our way throughout the rest of the afternoon, we'll see heat and radiation from the sun warm us up. So 74 degrees is that forecast high temperature around that 4 to 5 p.m. hour. Then once the sun sets around that 6:20 p.m. hour, we'll continue to see the temperatures dip back into the 60s by later on tonight. Now, where is that ridge? Can you see it? Let's just look at this. You can see all that moisture wrapping up and around that ridge of high pressure. It's over the desert southwest as we speak, but influencing our weather pattern by keeping us above average as well as gusty and seeing lots of sunshine. So nothing on the radar, just a little bit of that higher elevation cloud cover and some cirrus clouds, which are the higher elevation clouds that are in the sky here across North Texas. As we move throughout the rest of the day, it'll be a pleasant day ahead, just a little bit windy. High temperature once again 74, 75 here across the Metroplex. Elevated fire danger because of low relative humidity levels and of course gusty conditions here across the region. Please avoid any activities that may cause a spark or a flame. Again, those gusts could get up to around 30, 35 miles per hour around that 3 to 4 p.m. hour, and that's of course the afternoon commute. So just be careful when driving. Again, the gusty winds combined with the very low relative humidity levels is going to increase the high fire danger. But look at this, moving into Wednesday, we see a low pressure system develop. That's our next big weather maker. It's coming from the Pacific and it'll be swinging through, and this will, well, bring us a little bit of a cool down, but allow for those conditions to stay a little bit gusty as we move into the middle part of this week. Now, above normal temperatures is likely here across North Texas, but also it will encompass a good chunk of the United States, anywhere highlighted in red here. We're looking at even through the first week of March, likely to stay above normal temperature wise, which means we'll be above that 63 degree mark for the majority of the days. At least the confidence is high for that. So that's something we're keeping an eye out for. Above normal temperatures likely to persist not only through the rest of this week, but as we head into meteorological spring, the first week or so of that likely to be warmer than average as well. 75 today. 84 for your high tomorrow. Fire danger will be expected through Thursday. A little bit of a cool down into Thursday and Friday, but then temperatures rebound 80s and lots of sunshine as we move into the weekend.